Okay, so you've seen us playing with the pom-poms, and we didn't have any, so these were ones that I'd seen somewhere on Facebook, someone else making them. So you just grab one of these plastic bags. No, we don't need your help. This is Chester. So you grab one of these plastic bags. These are the kind of like the 10p bags that you buy, so you might not want to cut yours up if you're going to be reusing them, but if you've got some spares, and we did. So you cut off the bottom, which is like, you know, the bit where it folds back into itself. So you cut that bit off, and you cut off the handles, and then you start making cuts along the bottoms. This is where you've already cut the bottom off, so it's already into 2 bits, and you cut up to the top to kind of, you know, that bit where it gets thicker at the top. So keep cutting to there, cut all the way along, and then you're just going to roll it up once it's all done. Wrap some tape around the handle, and you've got a pom-pom, and they're quite effective actually. And I stuck the handles back in because they're quite, if you see here, they're quite long. So they're in there as well. And we had a couple of, well, not that I'm advertising specific brands of supermarket, of course, but the Tesco ones are actually very boring. But this is an Asda one, which is far more exciting. This was a Waitrose one, which had pictures of peppers on, so that's got all different colours in it. And I'm really gutted that I haven't got a Sainsbury's one, because that's where we actually do most of our shopping. I don't know where all these bags have come from, but they would have been bright orange, would have been really fun. But yeah, they're great. And then so yeah, what we'll do is we'll share a video of us playing with our pom-poms, and that might be something you want to have a go at doing. So get creative, enjoy, and of course don't forget to share any photos or videos with us, because we'd love to see what you're up to. Good luck!